Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a simple roadmap in Adobe Illustrator. So for the roads we're going to use the pencil tool and draw some roads like so. And I'm going to select them, and then we apply a thick fat stroke to them. And now we need the road inside. So what we're going to do is open the Appearance panel, go to Window, Appearance, and then we apply another stroke, like so. And this one I'm going to color yellow and make it slightly smaller. And then we have the nice roads, and on the outside we have a border to that. This is nice and easily editable, so if you select it, you can move the roads around and apply all the corrections your clients ask you to make. So, like so. And the road will always adapt to that. But we cannot draw crossings like that. You see the roads cross, but this will always be a tunnel or a bridge. And of course, that doesn't work. So let's take a look at that in the Layers panel. And there we have the two paths, and each of them has the special appearance with the two strokes applied. And of course, that cannot work. Now, what if we could first build the geometry by having all the paths and then apply the strokes to them? And in order to do that, what we need to do is introduce another hierarchy level. And in order to make it, I'm going to first save that appearance so that I don't have to create it again. Let's go to Window, Graphic Styles, and then I'm going to take one of these roads and just drag it inside. So there it is. And now I can select both of them, go to the Appearance panel and delete the appearances. So they are invisible now, but the paths are still there. So there they are in the Layers panel. Now, in order to apply the appearance to a higher level hierarchy, we're going to use the layer. We could group them, but then it won't be easily editable because you always have to go inside the group and edit it, and you cannot easily add more roads to it. So doing this based on the layers is easier. But in order to apply that to the layer, we have obstacles. So first of all, what we need to do is get that layer targeted so that it appears up here. There needs to be layer instead of path. And you see the target always happens when you select something, then there is the target symbol, and it has this double outline, which means it's targeted. You can also select it here. But when you select all, then the layer does not get targeted. And also when you click here, it doesn't happen. So what you need to do to target the layer is actually click on the target symbol of the layer. So now the layer is up here and needs to be, which says it's targeted. So the next thing is we need to apply these strokes. Now, what won't work is when I just select a stroke color. That doesn't work because at the moment the layer doesn't have strokes. So in order to apply the strokes to the layer, you first have to create them by clicking these buttons, and then you can apply a a color to that and stroke width and everything else. So now that the layer has its own strokes, you see there is this target symbol and it's filled in gray, which means the layer now has its own special appearance. Now, thankfully, we have the graphic style, and in order to get everything on the layer, we just need to click on the graphic style. And you see the crossing is already there, and in the appearance panel, you see both the strokes on the layer. And this is now great. I'm going to select one of these paths so that I pick up that appearance, and then we can just add new paths to this layer, and we can also use the pencil tool and draw some more roads like so. And that's how you can get the easy map in Illustrator. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.